share and like and comment. You know, subscribe to the channel for all the uploads, all the epic video guys. Respect.
That I made by myself, oh, and I always do the wrong thing. I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down. I feel unable and so unworthy. My heart feels heavy. I've lost already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow down now.
Nice. A big blocker. Yes guys, another morning of spearfishing. Yeah, so we have to take back the routine, yeah. Another morning. Jump on captain boat in the morning, yeah. Boat there so ready up already. So we just go up on in. You know what I mean? Yeah man. So here we go. I rolled the captain this morning, sir. You know? Yeah man. So you know some 4 away in the morning, 20 or so, captain spear, Odane there so, attack, Omar does forward in. Yeah man, so, you don't know where go, we are wait for him. Regardless him just a forward guys. Yeah man, ocean look flat in the morning, that's one thing. Better than yesterday, not true 20? Yeah, go out there this morning. 20 never go out there this morning. The outcome of this. You know, hopefully we can get something nice, not true? Yeah man, so Omar inside there, so yeah man. So yes guys, so just stick and stay for that one, and hopefully we can have a nice and epic day as well as today, like yesterday, you know what I mean? Yes guys. Yeah man, out there we gone. Water we gone man, you know? Overcast this morning. But we are going to get some little sun because that side, you know, yeah man, which is the east side, you can see where the sun rise from, not really have a lot of clouds still, you know, but you know, yeah man, yeah, 20, yeah man. Hey, you don't check you know. You see me about Barra. I just about the time with the from here. I don't know how long your vibe. If you vibe on the way, so you die from the come for the Barra. No man, you can't buy Barra and to the Barra you go so. Oh, no, turn the gun from. I turn the gun from.
I got 2 spare, 200, I got 2 spare, me over bar, but a 2 minutes set me gun yet. So water kind of push me little, so me just, as me set it.
When I didn't know Captain Sim pass here.
Me don't know when here, that me tell me go by him. But when me look, me see you over to the side. Over to you. And I tell them me go by.
Another day, another adventure just complete, you know. Boy Odane out here alongside Twinny there, so yeah man, so you don't know, I just the time I know to show you guys what we're going with today. It was a nice catch, to be honest. Like me always say, not the best, because I just me catch two today, Twinny catch two. So I just go right ahead and just show you what we catch today, you know. Yeah man, so Twinny catch, lovely bar, a monster yeah, so. Yeah man, this is one monster one. See, one little small one that's the same way. So that's how we Twinny go on with today, you know. So in there get them clean up and thing, you know. Yeah man, boys feel good in idea, yeah.
We go to us. We go off 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. By 8 o'clock we out.
Yeah man.
Never too long.
Early time I know, just to 9 you know. So it's a good look, you know. So that's how we Twinny go on with today. Yeah man, and this is my catch today. Find two lovely ones today, a big one and a small one as well. You know. So we're there out here, you know. Enough respect, enough thanks to Almighty God for take us out there safe, bring us back safe, all in one piece, you know what I mean? You know? So we just go get them clean up, guys, and like Chef Omar out there now, and Fritz, Captain Spear out there, they're not coming in yet, so Chef Omar out there, just behind the reef out there, Captain still there in the wreck, you know. See my climb up on the boat out there now, so we just there, me and Twinny. I watch them, you know, while yeah, Twinny clean up in monster, you know. Let the big boy clean up your Twinny. Big boy, you know.
That boy 24 there?
That's that. 17. Yes, Twinny. I clean up the big boy.
Happy.
Nah, like one lovely one, eh? Man, a moment. Yeah man, they're on the last part time and out. Get him clean up. Something in big bar, huh? Now we have fuse, but testing them and feed back the small fish them and that they wrong as so. Yeah man. Yeah man, so when you done clean him up and now same just wash him off and thing, you know. Keep him clean. Wash off all the blood all the time. Yeah man. Sure you know say you wash off properly. Yeah. See them? Nice. That's spinning.
Morning. I understand and see. This is spearfishing with Odane.
Yes
Odane
guys.
catch. I understand. You're cleaning up now.
Man, this is a little small one.
The little one. You know we're cleaning it up. Make sure it's everything right. We have to feed and eat. Give thanks to the Almighty for everything this morning. It was a better water. Very calm.
Better than the last time.
Yeah, take it that, bro. I'm just a come in half. You see me, but him take it from the bottom in. So you don't know. My water come on now. Get a catch. You understand? Him coming there. Find one nice one about 8 pound, 9 pound or so. Yeah. You just come in.
This is cheap peeps. We have to give thanks to you and find same way. Everyone 12 pounds, you know. I'll give thanks for that got carry out safe this morning, you know we? And carry him back safe. Yeah man, just give thanks, you know. I don't know where Omar, Twinny, or where audience same way, you know. I'm here with the big boy, you see him? Monster one, you know, and the monster shock. Yeah man, good outing this morning with the boys, you know.
Good catch, I want to tell you.
This is how we discipline barracuda, you know.
Can't fear them. We have no fear for these fish.
Don't see a bar dead up when you know. Oh, the bar will go right up when you know. You see, not see me like that and turn back with the much button. Nah, be crazy chicken like so. Man, this is fish gill, you know. Yeah, man, inside, intestine, you know. So when we take them out, what we do, we just throw them back, feed back to the smaller fish. Yeah. And sometimes even stingray come in, even big barracuda come right in the shallow, come feed off of the intestine from the fish that we clean. Yes guys, so done clean them up here now. Just Omar and our team want to clean up. Yeah, so just like a wait for him to clean it up. And we just head out and it's gonna be heavy. You know the knobs that came with up here. Come and see a bar them and run down. You see it down? That one? Yes, you know that one for you. No, so you run down see him. You want to play back you want to make you. You know, you can't do you want to make you. So where is it? You know your car? You pack your car. Your car. You pack your car. Yeah. Wait a minute, my car. Hard. Who put in there?
Scaly fishing, man. Yo, scaly fishing.
Why Iron Man Virgin? When? Calvin, where you been from? No, you tell me say you say you want it. So you're an idiot. Don't know put me piece that. No my piece that. Oh my pin me go and it's slow but it's sure, you know. You give them a little cut at the weir and clean them up and cut out the gill. Yes guys, so Omar get him team one clean up and one thing, so him a lick out the teeth them. Like I say, teeth them is very dangerous. You have to get rid of them so in case the bar drop or your finger slip in your mouth, you know, hurt you. So Omar, and keep them very sharp cut me already. Yeah. I'm gonna send me out. Yeah man. So you see it guys. So we like so we done clean up here now everybody. Me, Twinny done clean up, Omar just finished clean up team one. Yeah man, so we just like go pack up the gears them and go out the sun, chill under the cool shady tree, be a bit. Yeah man, and relax back my mind with nerves, you know. Relax, calm down my body and then we just head home. Yeah, because we don't really just come out of the water and just head home regardless of drive we drive. We just always try to relax back down ourselves and head home. So you know, just want to say keep and like up the video, them share, always drop a comment and tell we the nice part, the bad part, whatever parts, you know, yeah. So enough respect every time and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet. Yeah man. Spearfishing with the boy Odane. Oh.